Our guide was very helpful and considerate. Even waited extra spare time for the latecomers twice during the tour. And he helped with lifting wheelchairs for the elderly/people who need physical assistances. Absolutely recommended. Our tour guide was absolutely knowledgeable and gave further insight behind the story of the murals and why the certain designs of the buildings in the palace are the way that they are. Just be prepared with adequate sun protection as it can get really hot in some areas. The trip was very nice. Our guide Sufit is very hard-working. He gave us a lot of information and he was very thoughtful and kind to take a picture of us with all the wonderful spots. It was totally worth it that I get to capture the nice memories I had inside Grand Palace and the temple. He even made sure to bring us in the pier going to our next schedules. Thank you so much Sufit. Inexpensive since the tour includes the entrance ticket. Meeting place is not difficult to find by following the instructions closely. There was only one big group and myself. The big group was more interested in taking photos. So I had the guide to myself on the history and culture of the sites. Guide is knowledgeable and kind. Purchased cold drinks and loan umbrella for us as it was a super sunny day. The tour is absolutely amazing and definitely worth it. Our tour, Sam, is very friendly and very knowledgeable. The monuments in the compound are majestic. You will wonder how the architects and builders managed to finish all these masterpieces from 2 to 3 centuries ago. Definitely recommend if this is your first trip to Bangkok. Get ready to embrace the magnificent Thai history and the greatness of the kingdom. Despite the rainy afternoon, Cherry was an excellent guide. She provided useful contextual information about why the Grand Palace was the way it was. She knew all the good photo spots and was more than happy to take pictures of us. She even valiantly handled a snarky person in our tour group well when said person was grumpy about being called out by security for showing shoulder. Strict rules in the temple that should be followed. This person was grumpy for the rest of the tour and hopefully won't leave a negative review as it is totally uncalled for and entirely the tourist's fault.